Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves, featuring Randy Zechman, the Chief Executive Officer of Clean Solar.
And what is the process for installing solar panels?
So typically what happens is we'll have a homeowner that will call into our office as we take we're kind of a soup to nuts installer. We take all the calls. They'll meet with an inside sales representative, which will ask them a bunch of questions so we can better prepare a proposal for them that's accurate to what they need. Sales rep will typically meet with them, give them all the pricing, talk about some of the challenges that might be with their installation, and see what their real needs and wants are. And then after signing a contract, we'll have our installers, so we don't subcontract out any work. It's all of our own employees, and we'll do a planning visit to make sure whatever the salesperson thought we could build can actually be built. So essentially, an engineer verifying salesperson's work, and then we'll go through the whole permitting process with the local jurisdiction, the city, AHJ, however you think about that, and then we will have our installation crews eventually come out after the customer works with the project manager and determines a date and time and all that stuff. So installations typically take anywhere from 1 day to 6 or 7 days, depending on how large and complex. When it's completed, we then have a permit technician that comes out and does an inspection with the county or the city. Once that passes, then the salesperson gets reconnected through the project manager to the customer, and they will go through all the final steps and make sure the system's commissioned and answer all the questions that the customer has. And then after that, the systems just kind of work.
Right.
This is the nice thing about solar, is that there's not a lot of moving parts, really. Those solar panels are on the roof. They just collect energy. There's no fans or anything, right? It just kind of works. And so then customers just enjoy going from a $400 electric bill to a $10 electric bill every month.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.